So, electric or gas? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best car depends on your life, commute, charging options, driving style. If you drive mostly in town and can charge at home, EVs make sense, quiet, cheap to run, and clean. For rural drivers, heavy towing or spontaneous road trips, gas cars still have the edge. Love the sound and feel of an engine? Gas is for you. Love tech and efficiency? Go electric. The good news: there are more choices than ever. Competition is making both better. Test drive both, do your homework, and pick what fits your life. The joy of driving is here to stay, no matter what powers your ride. Of course, there are challenges. Charging takes longer than filling up with gas, especially on road trips. Range anxiety, the fear of running out of battery, was a real concern in early EVs. Batteries are expensive, and over time, they lose some capacity. Not everyone can charge at home, especially apartment dwellers. Public charging stations are growing, but we need more, at workplaces, malls, and highways. Building this infrastructure takes time and investment. These hurdles are real, but they're not insurmountable. Every new technology faces bumps in the road. The important thing is that we're moving forward. The electric highway is under construction, and it's getting smoother every day. Let's keep pushing ahead. The good news? We're solving these problems fast. Battery technology is improving. Today's EVs go much farther on a single charge than ever before. Many new models can travel 300 miles or more, easing range anxiety. Fast chargers are popping up everywhere, adding hundreds of miles in just 20-30 minutes. Long road trips are getting easier. Battery costs are dropping, and new designs like solid-state batteries promise even more range and safety. Recycling old batteries is getting better, lowering costs and helping the environment. Charging networks are expanding rapidly. Innovation is happening on all fronts: batteries, charging, and recycling. The electric car revolution is accelerating.